Hey guys, are you guys remember the adopted? It's my daddy's still here. Wow, can you see it? What the? Ew, the bold! Ew, Baldy! Baldy! Ew! Ew, you are a liar, Baldy! Shut up! Okay. Oh, let's go! The shower because I'm so dungos. Oh, I have a brother. That's great. Idea. Okay, I got it's a box. Please don't ban me. I know that person. Guys, I know that person. They give me the money. I know that person. Okay, so this avatar. There. And where's the one piece? Oh my gosh. Stop hitting me. You know I'm sick of that. Oh, Daddy, hello. We are like the we are same. That is so nice. So we can need not this. Wait, let's take off this. Because it's so ugly. Okay, so now I have to hello person. I know that person, guys. You know that. That person is cleaning the street. I know that person. She's adopted. I think it's her girlfriend. Now I have mom. Now I know. Now I know. I have a brother. Okay. Sorry. What? Ew. No. That's disgusting. What the? Hey. Oh my gosh. Where's my daddy? Oh my gosh. Okay, daddy. Sakay. Thank you, daddy. Oh. Yes?
Pwede ba naman? Mamaya dahil late na tayo. Belen, yun na lang yung adobo. Lagyan mo ng foil yung labi ng kontrola, ha? Kasi baka tumapon niya.
Oh my gosh. Daddy, menu dog.
Nandyan. Andyan.
Ay! That's not there.
Gagamit kami ka dito. Oo nga, pagkagamit na, wala ang dahil to. Sinira. Ate, alam ng boyfriend mo kung saan tayo sa Tagaytay mag-picnic. Okay? Kaya kahit ngayon siya, alam niya sumunod doon. Ang problema niya sa boyfriend mo, laging...
Disgusting. No, I have news now. No.
Naniniwala kayo sa kanya? Na may sakit siya. Kausap siya dahil sa gabi. At may lakad na sila kaya hindi siya sa amin. That's not true, kuya, no? Mas bakit yung nakikinig sa mga pinag-uusapan namin ni Teo? Private na.
Okay, guys.
Mandy? Amanda?
This guy, another player is in there. Okay, let's go there. Oh, different. Bakit ang nangyari?
Tama na. Ayaw ng dati mo ng ganyan, di ba?
Namatay yung daddy niya.
Ganyan, Iha. Ayaw mo yan.
Are you okay? Ako Pupunta ko siya makapagod na siya.
Oh my gosh, wait. Mommy.
Pag nabawit ko naman ang ospital. Ang pagkalit. Tingnan ko sabihin mo dahil sa kanya.
Bayaan mo na, Becky. Yan ang itinalaga ng Diyos.
Salamat po. Salamat.
Now I guess this is eating. I can do that.
Pare, muna na kami. Marami ko visited.
Pare, take it easy.
Pare,
Pare, if you need anything,
thank you.
Carlitos. Saan ang Tita Gloria?
Nakita ko siya yung kasi niya ng mami.
That's you. That's you.
Sumira po.
Isipin mo na namadali si Ronald sa pinalalagyan niya dahil
Okay.
kasama niya.
It's this thing, Duma.
Sige lang.
Duma.
Hinahanap mo kayo.
No, I already did, guys.
May laki sa akin.
Nope. Let's go in down. Okay, rub a hand. Rub a hand. Take that. Okay, here. See? So I need to quickly stay back.
Carlito, ikaw na ngayon ang padre de pamilya.
1, 2, 3. Here's your word. Now let's go down there. Wow, party, wow. That's it for you, Mom. You want the egg, the balloon.
Ba't nandito kayo?
That's kasi, guys, di natin adak eh. That's so cute. Well, then, I have a second guess. Let's cry. They didn't know. Knock, knock.
Hoy, awat na yan. Manang, bukas siya na gawin niya. Magpahinga na kayo.
Ikaw ang magpahinga. Papasok ka na ba bukas?
Oo. Pero hindi ako mag-almusal. Sige na.
Yun na nga, Archie eh.
Pwede ba tigilan mo na yan? Kalibilin ng daddy kayo niya. Inaatupak mo na naman yung
Oh my
boso mo.
gosh, this double light. Okay, how about second one, guys?
Kuya, pwede ba kasi ako matulog? Kasi nag-focus si Ate Mary.
Halika! Halika! Dito ka. Sige.
That was just so nice. Okay, thank you for watching next video. Bye!